Hey guys, today is day 21 of December, so it's the 21st of December, so it's the day 21 of Christmas vlogs. And my computer's been kind of slow and it doesn't go up to Windows 11. So me and my dad are going out to buy computer parts and make my computer better. So let's fix my computer with me. Cookie clicker.
Who's that? That's
New right tackle in the game. Falls out of his hands too quick to be affected by a pass rush.
Guys, where's the mouse? Why isn't it working? Let's play cookie clicker.
They like him there on the left side with Laremy Tunsil.
Oh no.
And they're going to roll the dice with Zach.
Yeah, I know. We're not getting that fancy for me, guys. Okay, guys, we just got the parts. There's a memory, a processor, and a new motherboard. I'm so excited. I'm finally gonna have Windows 11, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm home now, and I have everything. So I'll show you guys what we got. So we got a processor with a cooler because it's very important, or else if it overheats, like, it can be very bad to the computer. We got two 16 gig memory cards. Basically two 16 gig memories, so I'll have 32. Currently my computer has 7. And the most important, a tough gaming motherboard. And now I'll have Bluetooth and what's the other word? Wi-Fi without problems, because let's be honest, the Wi-Fi on my computer is kind of slow. And maybe I'll open it up and give you guys a better look. Ooh, look at this beautiful beauty. I don't want to break it, so I'm not going to touch it. But we're going to bring my computer out onto this table and we're going to do all the things. And I might get a different graphics card that's better than the one I have. So we'll see. Okay, guys, now I have my computer out. It's so dusty. Look at this. This is like a dust cover. Is it dusty under that? Really dusty under the cover, but this is my cute little computer, guys. It's very dusty. Give it a good cleaning. It's gonna be so new. My motherboard is like over 10 years old. It's so old in there. Okay, guys, so now I've opened it out. I'm just gonna give it a little dusting. Much needed dusting. My poor stuff, guys. Look at this. Just like pure dust on everything. So I'm just gonna clean that up. And I'll show you guys changing everything. Okay, guys, so now we've done like a slight cleaning of it all. It's still pretty dusty because there's just so much dust, it's like hard to get rid of it all. But this is the new motherboard and we're gonna replace it for this one here. And this is just nasty. Look how dusty this is. Like, maybe while I'm spinning, I can, like, how do I do this? I think I have to go the opposite way. Like, but it just doesn't, I don't know what it. Oops. But yeah, it's nice and clean, mostly. Like, this stuff is all. But I have to leave this or we'll run out.
Take a picture right there.
We got the motherboard loose, and now we're gonna take it out and replace it.
Oh. Scared.
Is it this way?
And we'll go to the
Yeah.
So I forgot me what lights.
Here's the
That's good.
motherboard all in with all its glory.
This one should be down like this. I need lights.
Yeah, okay. Okay guys, so we put everything into the motherboard and now we're gonna put the processor right there. And it's a new one with a fan. So it's a good one. Peanut is with us and I've grabbed my notes as well. Let's do a processor unboxing. Let's look this processor. My little knife. That's my little.
Just be careful when you open that up because there's all the
Yep.
special grease that you can't bugger up. And it's just kind of the way it is in there.
Yep. It's got its own separate box.
Okay, just be careful here.
And then there's this thing.
Okay, yeah. So leave that.
This is it. This is it, guys. Oh, is it the cooling jug?
No.
It has a sticker that comes with it. You can put it on.
Yeah, put that on the outside of the box so you know what's inside.
Without this plastic and then put it back. Look at this, guys. Can I touch this? Yeah. Look at this.
Careful. That's what you don't want to touch because that's got
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch
that's got the
that. I'm
paste. So be
touching
careful.
from the top.
That's where you really mess it up.
I'm touching the top.
Bugger up that paste, you really screwed up.
I'm not gonna bugger up the paste, guys. We put the. Oh, why did my light die? Oh, it died.
Want me to go and flip it up the other way so I can hold that plate on the back?
Yeah, good idea.
And here. Turn the light on. Which one?
We
No, this fan.
installed it, guys.
That's what our
Okay, guys, we got this. We got the new motherboard. We got my graphics card, and now we're gonna put the memory in, which is the 32 instead of 7. This is take 1. We're plugging in.
Yeah, plug in your monitors too.
Yeah. Alright. Go upside down like that. Perfect, guys.
Ready? You can push the button.
That's already glowing. What's glowing? It glows? I didn't know that. Blue. Let's change the color. Oh? What? Why won't the color change? So these are the memory. This is the new motherboard. And this is the new processor. And we're on some sort of
BIOS, you tell me.
BIOS is what it's called. Where you basically set everything up. And make sure it's all working. Okay guys, this is the finished computer with everything. If I do more, I'll update, but I think this is all we're doing for now. Huh?
Yeah, post that with it, eh?
Yes, I am.
Oh.
This is the one I need for today. That's why I need to outro it. So, if I update anything on the computer, I'll let you guys know, because I can just easily put that in before I upload this. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment things you'd want to see. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.